What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your boy, Coach Bloom. How you guys doing today? Definitely, guys, spend some time in nature. I mean, the recharging is just so beautiful. Look at all this green. You got the river right there, right up along the bank. And then you might come up on wildlife, you know. It's such a beautiful thing to see these animals. Whoa, they're hustling, they're running around. I would tell you, when I came this way, I didn't see these animals. Look at them, guys. Man, they rallied up, their family tight together. They got the head bobbing. I'm no threat.
I'm gonna have to get by.
It is beautiful, guys. Spend some time in nature. BoomTonextSnatch.com. Fit from the inside out. And let's enjoy the creation that God has in place for us, guys.